So if you're trying to become a drone pilot, you don't have to be just one of those standard cinematic drone pilots. There's a lot more options. For example, I'm here in Japan and there's a DJI store, and look at how big these drones are. These are massive, and you can't tell from here. They're seriously insane. These are more for agriculture. So these, you usually attach like a sprayer or anything for your crops when you're flying. These are really good for if you live out more in a farm area. Now you have these over here, which are more for your spraying and still, but they're smaller and more compact. Now these over here are more for search and rescue, and you can add different parts to them. These you can attach to thermal, a LiDAR, a light, really anything you can think of. These are modular, so you can add whatever. The nice thing about them is that, yes, they're modular, which then in turn make them even better. And then again, you still have your more consumer drones. Like this, for example. These are your more standard drones that you see flying around. These are more for the cinematic types of video. Either that's DJI, FPV, or anything like that. These are going to give you that normal DJI cinematic look.